Heto na guys, mga Kapampangan, ang ating masanting, not only masanting, but motivating. The one and only, Mr. sa Pilipinas, Pampanga. Again, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Krishna Yasser. Siyempre ako yung masanting but also motivating.
Okay, ang ganda ng look mo tonight. Can you tell us more about your outfit and inspiration?
My outfit. So it's just a simple pastel blue top. We just wanna keep it classic tonight. Kasi sa coronation night na yung parang pinaka-grand namin na mga outfits. Doon na namin papakita.
Okay, para sa iyo, anong kahulugan ng charity o pagtulong sa kapwa?
Charity for me means everything kasi, you know, I've been living my life to serve other people and I think this is the perfect opportunity for me to do that.
Okay, complete the sentence. Ang tunay na Mr.
ay hindi lang gwapo. Gamitin nyo ang pagiging gwapo para maging mabuti sa mga kapwa ninyo.
In what way?
In what way? There are a lot of ways, you know. We can use our kagwapuan to make money, you know, just being realistic, and then we can use that money to, you know, help other people. You know, I mean, that's the simplest way to use our kagwapuan.
Meron ka bang lucky charm na lagi mong dinadala?
Actually, meron. Hindi ko siya dala ngayon. Dinadala ko siya sa stage. So, pag may nakita kayong may hawak ako pag nasa stage ako, yun. Makikita nyo sa coronation night. Promise.
Okay, invite them on your coronation night.
Guys, manood kayo sa October 22 sa Skydome, SM North EDSA. No, supportan nyo ako, Mr. So Pilipinas, Pampanga.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.